Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious bagel chicken burger. First, select 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, each weighing around 6 ounces. Gently pound them to an even 1/2 inch thickness. This ensures they cook quickly and uniformly. Next, season both sides of the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, preparing them for the next step. Now, let's cook our chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Carefully place the seasoned chicken breasts in the hot pan. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the skillet and let it rest for 5 minutes. This keeps it juicy. While the chicken rests, let's get our bagels and toppings ready. Slice 2 bagels of your choice in half horizontally and toast them lightly to a golden brown. Gather your favorite fresh toppings, such as crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion. Don't forget your preferred sauce. A zesty aioli or a smoky barbecue sauce works wonderfully with chicken. Finally, it's time to assemble your mouth-watering bagel chicken burger. Start by spreading a generous amount of your chosen sauce on both the top and bottom halves of the toasted bagel. Place the perfectly cooked chicken patty on the bottom bagel. Layer with your fresh toppings, then gently place the top bagel half on top. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.